Want to delete your chat history on Bing AI? Today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Tap on the search bar. Below the search bar, it will show you your previous chat history. Tap on the trash icon at the right side. Then, tap on the cross icon above the topics. Whereas, if you want to delete all of the history, simply long press on one of the topics. Then, tap on Clear All at the top. Tap on Clear All once again to confirm. And that is how to delete Bing AI chat history. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.